Welcome to Math Mission. Today, I will teach you a general method to find the greatest common factor faster and easier, especially when the prime factor is very large. You might have learned prime factorization in school, and it works quite well when two or more numbers have many small prime factors. However, once the numbers get large, especially their smallest common divisor is also large, the factorization becomes inefficient. For example, 1102 and 1363. Which prime number should we try first? There are a lot of prime numbers. Which one? This is exactly the kind of situation where the Euclidean algorithm is extremely useful. First, we will explain it step by step. First, we divide the larger number by the smaller one and get a remainder, which is always smaller than divisor. So in this case, the divisor is 1102 and the remainder is 261. Then we continue with these two numbers to we do the further division. So we use 1102 divide 261. Then we get the 58 and we repeat this process. So 261 divide 58, we have the remainder 29. And 58 divide 29, now we have the remainder is 0. And the last divisor is the greatest common factor or common divisor we are looking for. Using this method, we can also calculate the least common multiple using a formula. So the LCM is equal to the product of two numbers divided by their greatest common factor. So we also can calculate LCM. So we look at this application again. So it can be used to simplify the fraction. We look at this fraction, 159 divide 742. To simplify a fraction, we need to find the greatest common divisor of the two numbers. Since we can't see it right away, we will use the Euclidean algorithm to figure it out. So we just use the same method we introduced before. We just use 742 divided by 159, and then we get 106, the remainder. Next, we use 159 divided by 106, we have the remainder 53. Then 106 divide 53, we have a remainder as 0, which means the 53 is the greatest common divisor of 159 and 742. So then now we can simplify this fraction. So 159 is 53 cross 3, and 742 is 53 cross 14. In the end, we can simplify it as 3/14. So this method, if you like, can be applied generally in all simplification, no matter the greatest common factor is small or big. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. I will try to upload each question per day. See you next time.